Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your username on X, which is formerly known as Twitter. So what you'll need to do is open up X, then click on your profile icon on the top left. Then once you're on here, if you go to profile, then select edit profile. This will only allow you to change your actual name, so you can have that as anything you want. And when you're happy with that, select save. But if you want to change your username, you'll need to go back to your profile on the top left, and you should see settings and support at the bottom. Then go to settings and privacy. Then you need to go to your account at the top, and then account information. And once you're on here, you should see username at the top, so just tap on there. And you can change this name, but you'll have to pick something that hasn't already been taken. So once you're happy with that, just select done, and that will update your username. You may have to authenticate it. And that's how you can change your username on X. Thanks for watching.